The Maytag washer error code F09E01 occurs when a draining pump defect causes the washer to take too long to drain, and it can also be caused by technical issues. This error code is typically triggered by common issues such as clogged pipes, a defective electronic control board, or a malfunctioning central control unit. To resolve this issue, the pipes should be cleaned by locating the dirt trap at the bottom of the washer and removing any debris. The drain hose should then be cleaned by running water through it, and the washer should be restarted to see if the error has been resolved. If the issue persists, it may be necessary to replace faulty parts, such as the electronic board or central control unit, which can be done with the help of a technician. This involves inspecting the machine's electronic board and central control unit for defects, checking if the information reaching the board is correct, and replacing any faulty parts. By following these steps, the error code F09E01 can be fixed, and the washer can be restored to normal functioning.